To edit the side header in Squarespace, start by searching for Squarespace in your web browser and clicking on the official website, squarespace.com. Log into your account using your email and password, which will take you to your account dashboard. From there, select the website you want to edit the header for. Click on the Edit button, and you will see the header, where you can click on the Edit Side Header option, indicated by a pencil icon. This will give you the option to add elements, edit the design, or expand the header. Clicking on Edit Design will allow you to adjust the logo, spacing, and other elements, as well as add effects such as drop shadow, border, and fixed position. You can also customize the height, width, and color of the header, and add elements like buttons, social links, and language switches to improve communication with website visitors. By making these adjustments, you can create a more effective and engaging header for your website.